California is targeting the silent suffering of young men and boys throughout the Golden State. Governor Gavin Newsom issued an executive order directing a statewide response to improve mental health for this part of the population and reduce the stigma attached to it. Newsom saying in a statement that this action is about showing every young man that he matters and there's a path for him of purpose, dignity, work, and real connection.
I think we have, over the last several years, paid a lot of attention to girls and girls' mental health. And while that's great, I think sometimes what's gotten lost in that shuffle is what boys and young men are going through, and other folks along the gender spectrum.
Mental health experts are on alert after a recent rise in suicides and a feeling of disconnection among young men and boys because they are less likely to ask for help until they're in crisis. The order strengthens mental health support through the California Health and Human Services Agency, addresses California's crisis of loneliness in young men, and offers pathways to work, education, and support. What makes this order something that's going to make a difference in our community?
The executive order recognizes that we need a whole person approach, not just treating mental illness, but also investing in belonging, opportunity, and prevention.
Dr. Pardis Khosrafi is a clinical director at the Children's Health Council, an organization that offers comprehensive and integrative mental health services for youth in the South Bay. Khosrafi says aspects like recruiting more male role models in teachers and school counselors and promoting boys and men to participate in service makes this plan primed for success.
I really appreciate the focus in the executive order, not just on the service delivery itself, which is really important, and looking at the data we have to identify gender disparities in the service we're providing, but also what else are we doing?
Governor Newsom said it best. Too many young men and boys are suffering and disconnected. This action is about turning that around.